Welcome back. In the previous video, we covered the first 7 elements of the startup menu, the core structural definitions used across the system. In this video, we'll continue with part 2 of the basic essentials, still within phase 1. We'll be working from the left-hand side startup menu and focusing on the next set of essential definitions. Let's continue. First, open nationalities. Nationalities define the list of traveler nationalities available in the system. In most cases, this list is already predefined, but it remains editable when needed. Nationalities are used in client profiles, manifests, reservation files, and reporting. Next, open hotel meals. Set up the meal plans used in hotel contracts, such as breakfast, half-board, or full board. It's important that the naming matches the system logic. For example, bed and breakfast should match the system checklist as BB. This is critical because hotel meals are later used to calculate hotel rates in reservations and quotations. Now, open rooms. Rooms define the room types available in the system, such as single, double, twin, or triple. Each room type includes a room code. Room types are used when setting up accommodation configurations and rooming lists inside reservations. Next, open titles. Titles define the prefixes used for clients, such as Mr., Miss, Mrs., Child, Infant, or Doctor. Titles help keep client names consistent across the system. They are used in the incoming clients pages inside reservations to assign the correct title to each traveler. Now, open reservation owner. Reservation owner defines the staff member responsible for handling a reservation. This is especially useful when multiple team members work on the same file, or when responsibility shifts due to travel, sick leave, or workload changes. Reservation owner is selected in the General tab inside the reservation. It also supports sales and performance reporting by showing which team member handled each file. Next, open bank details. Bank details store your company's bank accounts and are used when creating invoices and payments. One important note here. If you create more than one bank account with the same currency, the system will automatically select the first one by default when generating invoices or payments for that currency. Finally, open reminders. Reminders define preset notification types that can be used later inside the system. At this stage, reminders are only being set up as default menus. They do not automatically affect any reservation or quotation file. Instead, they become available options that can be selected and applied when needed. Each reminder defines who it goes to, when it should be triggered, and whether it applies before arrival date or after the file issue date. This setup ensures consistency and saves time later, without forcing reminders on files unless they are intentionally used. This completes the second part of the basic essentials setup. In the next video, we'll finish the remaining basic essentials, before moving on to the incoming setup menu in phase 1. Thanks for watching, and let's continue to the next step.